If you want to create your funnels landing page with WordPress and grow your business, if you struggle to get the result you wanted, I'm going to run this training where I'm going to show you step by step how I help my multimillionaire clients and his company selling his multiple products online, and how to choose to sell products without using our own money. I'd love to invite you to this training where I will show you our different strategies, how you can do it too. 2 years ago, I knew nothing about WordPress. Although I have been working as a web designer for the last 10 years, but I was just a front-end web designer. I know nothing about the back-end code. I didn't know the back-end programming language. I never can complete the whole complicated website without our development team. But since I started with WordPress, I was surprised how easy it is. And you don't need to have back-end programming language skills. And you can create your own website landing page, which ours is so easy. So this training is for you. If you want to create your own website landing page without hiring the expensive web designers, this is for you. If you want to market your own business, if this is for you, if you want to grow your business, but you don't know how to get leads and clients, how to market yourself, this is for you. If you want to sell product online on your website, but you don't know how to choose product, and this is for you. If you don't have a big budget and you don't want to use your own money to selling product online. So I would like to invite you to this training. Click the link around this video. I will see you in the training.